We got water over here, water over here, water over here, water over here. Alright, but back to the point. Today we're doing Road to a Trickshot episode. No, I'm just playing. I never done this. From where? From where? Oh.
Bink, bink, bink.
What was that kid doing? But yeah, this is the first episode of Road to a Trickshot. But we're gonna at least try to hit something decent. We got kids over here. Dead?
Well, no fucking shit.
Oh, I'm garbage. Call me Faceway. Oh, he's running out. Dead. I swear, if the shark attacks me, we're gonna have to throw hands. Oh my god, stop! 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 Oh, and there's a henchman over here. Stop. Bro, imagine Terry just pulls up. Oh my god, stop!
No.
Oh, I forgot. I still haven't got a hunting rifle yet. Oh, I just got shot at. Hold on. I'm getting the supply drop first. Please don't shoot me. Let's go. And there's no. This is a hunting rifle. Oh my. I'm about as desperate just to go to Retail Road just to search chests. Okay, I'm doing it. Please, hunting rifle, please, hunting rifle. Oh my gosh. Tell me you had it. Tell me you had it. He had the hunting rifle! He had the hunting rifle! Oh my god. Stop. Oh, I can't hit my shot. Oh my gosh, this last person. Okay. This, I could actually do this. Dude. See him. Alright, I'm gonna weak him. Bop.
Really?
I placed it in the wrong spot.
You're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh my dude. Okay, that was really bad, but hey, I had a trick shot. It's okay.